Today I encountered a stuck rear window wiper blade. A common problem with this car. Last year the front ones got stuck in the same way. Unfortunately, the rubber bushing does not provide tightness. Over time, dust and water get inside. Rust forms, which when dried sticks and wedges the shaft. The cover is held on by clips, around the perimeter. It can simply be torn off with force. There are 2 white clips in the middle. They remained in the cover. Removing the cover should begin with dismantling the cover from the lock.
Tu montu vaivagus nestāst.
Nu, ko es tur? Neko tā arī ir.
Nu, tagad viņam...
Once the bushing is removed from the axle, you should start removing the motor from the inside. The large rubber will remain in the window glass.
Tā iet iekšā. Šitam jāiet uz turien ārā. Tā elektrība.
3 screws hold the wiper motor to the cover. Torque screws, E8 I think. I don't have a socket wrench that small. So I used a regular 7mm. It was a bit loose. A 6.5mm socket would probably be better.
Viņš karsts viss. Mums mēģinājis, ka nebūs nosūdis.
To disconnect the electrical supply, the latch must be lifted. Old grease and rust in here too. Part number if you need to order a new one. The axle is stuck firmly and you have to use force to pull it out of the housing. I cleaned the rust with a rag. But the corrosion grooves have already appeared deeper. I tried to sand them with sandpaper. You don't have to try too hard. This assembly does not require perfect tightness. For structural reasons, maintenance would be useful here again in a year or two. You shouldn't leave the other side of the gear unattended either. There are 3 contacts under it. One of them was a dull green. New grease everywhere. I use regular gear grease. I think it will do its job. It is possible that something was misaligned when the gear was installed incorrectly. The cleaning amplitude was not correct. However, this can be easily corrected by moving the wiper arm into the appropriate slots.
Слышите, блядь?
Pedala. Skrūvgriezi lūdzu. To, kas tev blakus tieši rokai bija. Jā.
The cover is easy to put back on by pressing the clips into the places provided for it. There are 2 more holes, which are probably intended for some clips. But here too I am not the first who do something. The clips are already gone.
Tur nav nu skrūvi vietas. Tur kaut kādas zašķauka ir. Ot tā kā šitā.